Each year, over 1,000 assessments are completed by Rapid7 penetration testers. The following is a pen tester's account of an actual engagement. The names of the penetration tester and the company involved have been removed to protect the innocent.
Hello, my name's I'm a penetration tester here at Rapid7. This is going to be a story about an internal network penetration test. We gained access to the domain through password spraying. There were a couple users that had weak credentials. Those are pretty much low-level users, not too much access that they had, but we did discover that every user in the domain users group had access to a very specific Microsoft SQL server. This server happened to be linked in a cluster with multiple different SQL servers, and through this we were able to execute commands through the link. We also discovered that on this link, it was misconfigured to allow any commands ran through it to be in the context of the database owner user, which has system administrator privileges to Microsoft SQL servers. With that, we're able to enable a series of stored procedures to run system commands on those servers, one of those being XP CMD shell. Through this, we created a C# payload that performed process injection. The payload wasn't anything too crazy, just a basic process injection payload that took a Metasploit interpreter shellcode, did some encoding on it, and injected it into a process on that host. We used a PowerShell download cradle to download that C# file, run it in memory, and then after it executed, we had a interpreter session on that host, did a little bit of recon, discovered that the service account for this particular MS SQL server was a domain administrator, and through that, we were able to further compromise the domain by using DA privileges to extract all user passwords from the domain, which we then cracked and had further access to the domain. And that's how we exploited a database to gain domain administrator privileges to the entire network.